Okay, so we're installing stepping stones now. So we've got all the tools we're gonna need. We have a 2-foot level to make sure that our stones are level both ways. We also have our tape measure to measure the distance between the stepping stones. We have a rubber mallet just for leveling after we put down our base. We have our hand tamper here, so we'll put down a gravel base, tamp it with the hand tamper, and then we have our stepping stones. So these ones here are natural flagstone stepping stones. They also come in precast size in different size variations. So our first step, once we've got all of our tools and equipment and materials ready, is to prepare the area. So the first thing we're gonna do is put in our leveling agents. So some people will use road crush or 10 mil fines or even concrete depending on the area. But today we're gonna be using 10 mil Rundle to level the base of our stepping stone to make sure they don't move. Okay, so we've got our 10 mil Rundle here, which is we're gonna use for our base. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get a few good scoops out, get it into place here, and start to level it with my shovel, just getting it somewhat level so that we can start our hand tamp. So now that I've got it somewhat level, grab our hand tamper here, I'm gonna give it a few spots. Now it'd be more important to be very accurate on level with a precast stone that is perfectly level, but with these flagstone, we're just gonna start by getting a nice solid base in order to put these stepping stones down. So now we're gonna choose our stepping stone here. We're gonna loosely shuffle in our first piece. Now it looks pretty nice and level, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over and we're gonna put the level on it. So as we can see, we need to tilt this a little bit this way. So we're gonna pull up the stone. We're basically dead level this way already. So we'll pull up this stone. I'm gonna move a bit of more stone mulch here, crush, add it to this side. We're gonna get it back on top. Still level front to back, side to side. We are level, so we're looking good there. So that's how our stone is gonna be set. And then the next thing we're gonna do is basically take our tape measure, measure out and mark where our next stone, so these ones have a 12-inch spec, so we're gonna go 12 inches apart. So we're gonna mark out where our next line is gonna go. And we're gonna prep the base the exact same way, lay our base in here, and lay our next stone.